is Michel. I'm from Ghana, Western Africa, and I hold a technician certificate in industrial maintenance, and I currently work at Institute of Indigenization of Technologies back in Ghana. I got the opportunity to study the basic and advanced welding technologies here at Eurotech. Eurotech being the educational partner of AWS, that's American Welding Society. They have the best equipment, trainers, and a clean environment to help shape your welding career. During my 2 weeks of stay here, I was given the best training in both GMAW and GTAW on stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminium. Eurotech also offers CWI course, which is Certified Welder Inspector Program, which I intend to study next. I'm most grateful to all the staff here at Eurotech, especially the General Manager, Colonel Vic, and my instructor, Mr. Aminda. To all the viewers out there, I recommend Eurotech assessment and certification to you all. Come and get your welding career shaped according to American Welding Society standard, and believe me, you will never regret it. Thank you all.